Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. My son loves to make smoothies, and even I love a good smoothie, especially when it gets hot out. But having to carry the big blender out and get it clean can be such a hassle that sometimes it's not worth a smoothie. So check out this nice portable blender. It solves all problems of convenience of making smoothies. You add everything into this cup. Very important, this is max liquid. If you go above this line, 1, it will spill when you put the lid on, and 2, it will not blend as well. So make sure you follow the guideline of max line. Learn from my not following the example. So you put in what you want. This one has some protein powder, some almond milk, avocado, strawberries. You turn it on by hitting the power button twice, and you flip it over and let it blend. One super cool thing is how quiet it is. So usually a blender is super loud in your kitchen, and this thing is very quiet for being a blender, but it does a really nice job of getting everything ground up. This one even, I put ice in there as well, and it ground that up just fine. Another super cool thing is it's chargeable, so you don't have to have it plugged in. You just charge it and then use it until it's dead, and then you can charge it again. So it's not an appliance that needs plugged in all the time. After your smoothie's made, you can either pour it into a cup, look at this beautiful consistency, or it can turn into a cup. It even comes with this nice silicone straw. So if you're a person who likes to make smoothies and you want it to be a little bit more convenient, this portable blender is awesome. It has this nice carrying handle. Especially this summer, I'm so excited to be able to make smoothies easily every morning. And that is my point of view.